Welcome back to Gen 2 Solutions, and in this video, I will show you exactly how to double your Android battery life by turning off hidden settings that are quietly draining your power. Is your Android phone dying way before the end of the day? It is incredibly frustrating when you have to constantly carry a power bank or search for a charger everywhere you go. Today, I am going to show you the biggest battery killers hidden inside your Android settings, and exactly how to turn them off to make your battery last all day long. Grab your phone, and let's go through this together step by step. First, we need to fix a massive battery drain issue that comes turned on by default on many newer phones. It is your always-on display wallpaper. Open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. Tap on Always On Display. If you have the option that says Show Lock Screen Wallpaper, turn that switch off immediately. Keeping your screen fully illuminated with a background picture all day destroys your battery. For even more battery life, change the main setting from Show Always to Tap to Show. Next, we are going to unlock a secret battery saving mode that gives you incredible battery life without making your phone feel slow. Go back to your main settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Device Care. Scroll down a little bit and tap on Performance Profile. By default, this is set to Standard. Change this to Light. This tells your phone to prioritize battery life and cooling over maximum gaming performance. It saves a massive amount of power. If you are finding these Android battery secrets helpful so far, take a quick second to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps Gen 2 Solutions bring you more of these tech hacks, and it ensures you never miss out on unlocking the full power of your devices. Now, let's turn off some hidden background scanners. Your phone is constantly looking for other devices around it, even when you don't want it to. Let's shut that off. Go back to your main settings menu. Scroll up to the very top and tap on Connections. Tap on More Connection Settings. Look for Nearby Device Scanning and turn that switch off. Your phone no longer needs to waste battery constantly searching for random Bluetooth devices or TVs you aren't trying to connect to. Finally, we need to turn off a feature called RAM+. It constantly rewrites your phone's memory to your internal storage, which drains your battery and can actually slow down your phone. Go back to your main settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Device Care again. Tap on Memory. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on RAM+. Turn the switch off at the top of the screen. Your phone will ask you to restart to apply this change. You can tap Restart now. You are all set. Your Android is now fully optimized, and your battery is going to last significantly longer. Make sure to subscribe to Gen 2 Solutions for more easy tech tips, and click the video on your screen right now to see how to free up gigabytes of storage on your phone. I will see you in the next one.